Did you know whole buildings can sink into the ground in a matter of just a few seconds? It's called liquefaction, and it's when solid ground begins to act like a liquid. Have you ever stood on the edge of the beach and wiggled your toes in the sand while the waves crashed over your feet? You've experienced this phenomenon. One second you're standing on what seems like solid ground, and the next your feet are sinking in. For liquefaction to occur, the solid particle of the ground becomes suspended in water. And when an outside force is applied, like your toes wiggling in the sand, the ground will act like a liquid. Solid ground is solid because the particles of the ground are in contact with each other and stay in place due to friction. So a building could be standing for years, but if there's enough rain, the ground will become saturated, reducing the friction between solid particles. If the soil has enough water soaked in it, then any vibration will make the earth act like a liquid. In conditions like these, even a minor rainstorm and an earthquake can sink a whole building into the ground. Once the earthquake stops or the ground loses moisture, the entire building will be stuck, buried in solid ground.